It's Monday, September 22nd. In the headlines, newly appointed 25-year-old opposition Senator Cleveland Tomlinson eyes changes in the financial sector. 13 state ministers, 1 parliamentary secretary sworn in at King's House. In business news, RJR Gleaner Group gets $500 million loan. Regionally, United Nations Development Program calls for resilient human development in the region. And in sports, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price ends career with silver in Jamaica's 4x100 meters relay. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.